Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I am also well by the mercy of Almighty the Creator. Today you can see I'm sitting on the rail line, and you can see behind of me the natural scenery, and this scenery is really beautiful. And most of the time in the afternoon, most of the people came here, and they came here for their refreshing mind. And the place is really the empty place, and in this the place most of the people come here, and they feel much better, and they get more fresh air around of me. Then you can see these places are really blank here. And in this the place you can see most of the people walking behind of me. And I can see this in this place every people they come their feelings freshness for the freshness they're coming in this situation. So I am also come here now for getting much more fresh in the year, and now and again getting more enjoyable moment. And I also coming with my one of my colleagues, and I am getting most of the pleasure here. And you also come to this beautiful place. Then I think that you also get more the pleasure here. And I am talking you something about this beautiful place. And you can see most of the people are working on this place, and on this railway. And they're not talking something about them. They are getting most of the energy, and they now feel much more getting. And if you come here this place, I think that you also get this situation, you will able to be pleasure. Thank you so much.